So can we start?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Is it okay, no? We'll start. It's already,
665.
yeah, right. Okay. Let me share. Yes, let me share my first, and I'll share you my screen.
Hmm.
Okay. This is I'm sharing. Are you able to see this? My screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, pathway to a better life. As per our discussion, see, like I am presenting about pathway to a better life. See, like here, I would like to make you clear that what is the difference between way and pathway. See, like way is that it is both ways, and it will also have diversion. But pathway means it is like a track, like it is going to the only one destiny. It is leading to one destiny. That is pathway. So I selected pathway to a better life. That's the topic. Hope it's clear. So let me present it. So like for making better life, we should have a pathway. So there should be a way for the better life, and people will have different interests, different aspirations, different way of life. So there should be some common principles. I have listed out those common principles only in this. The first one is we should be authentic. So authentic means we should be honest and authentic to us. Like if we have committed that we will get up morning 5:30 means we should get up. We can cheat others, but we cannot cheat ourselves. Is that okay? That's why it is the topic I mentioned as be authentic. See, if you are authentic to yourself, it will be very clear that whatever you are planning will happen. The second one is learn the power of now. So like this is what I want to emphasize on. What is called power of now? Like sometimes some people will be thinking about the future, daydreaming, and they will not live in the present. So like whatever we are doing, we should focus on the job and we should do it. We should not think something else and do the job. Like sometimes we will be driving and we may be thinking about something else. Something else may be running in our brain. So that will affect our driving efficiency. The same way, whatever we are working, we should be 100% in that work. Like whatever we are doing, we should not be in the past something thinking about something happened bad or something good. So we should not be in the past or we should not be in the future. We should be in the present. So that is what I want to explain in the learn the power of now. Then the third one is be realistic. Like whenever we are fixing any goal, when we are fixing any target, we should be realistic. We should not be over focused or under focused. There should be some realistic plan and realistic systems we should adapt. We should not make like I will make everything within a day and we will do it. So that's what I want to emphasize on the be realistic. Then another one is like I want to focus on know your priorities. See, know your priorities means we may be having thousands of work. We should know which one we should put first and we should know which one should be last. So like that we have to prioritize our work and we have to carry out work on these priorities. Sometimes some emergency work may come and we may have to improve that and also modify our priorities. But we should have priorities. is not that we are doing, keep on doing, and the result is not as per the expectations. So that is the reason we need to prioritize our work. Which one should be first and which one should be the next. That's what I want to is on knowing priorities. Learn to negatively. This is what a important topic which I love to present. There are a lot of negativity. Something happens even in our workplace, in our home. We are dealing with some people. We may have something negative, like some superior, like he may be telling superior or our peers may be saying something. That time, back of our mind, we may be thinking something bad about them, something like negative about them. Like that, there will be many negatives. So if we get out of those negatives, I feel that we can be more power of now. Like in the second line, I have mentioned you about power of now. So if you remove the negatives, you can more power of now. You can be more focused in the job. So these negatives you can remove, and this is a must. These negatives also affect us in a much bigger way that people don't understand, because these negatives affect after a long term. The results will be long term after 4 years or 5 years. Then we understand like what negative happened. So this may lead to our issues in health also. So we have to take care of this negative and we have to let the negative go off. Another one is control your options. So like in working, there will be lot of options you may get, whether to go this way or that way. Sometimes some interesting things may happen, which may please us. So we have to control the option. We have decided and we have planned our priorities. We should not change it. So we have to control it. If something emergency is happening, okay, then we can modify the priorities. But we should not have multiple options. We should have a single plan so that we can make it and focus and perform it better. So that's what I want to say that in control your options. Then coming to this, like be grateful. Like every day we have lot of things to say thanks to our family, our friends, as well as to God even, because we are blessed with many things better. So whatever the better things we got, we should be grateful. We should appreciate even whatever we have performed, even small achievements of ourselves should be appreciated by ourselves. Something like people keep banging them like they want to achieve bigger, bigger, and they put themselves in stress. So better appreciate yourself even for small achievements. It will give you a very good mood. It will give you happiness, and you can stay focused. This is what I want to see, that celebrate along the way. So like sometime people say that I will achieve this and then I will celebrate it. Life is like you have to live your life. You have to live your life happily. For this, you have to celebrate your life in day-to-day life. It is not that you achieve like if you are having ambition that I will become a national manager, then only I will feel happy. Then it is going to give you pressure and health issues. You should enjoy your achievements daily and celebrate your life daily. So this way, celebrating along the way will keep you happy, because life is not Once you complete it and you celebrate, it is like celebrating all every moment, living your life. That is the way. That is what we call it, celebrate along the way. Give to others. See, giving to others is like we have to appreciate others, whoever supported us, whoever working with us, whoever helping us. We have to appreciate others and we should have a very good atmosphere so that we can support and we should get support. Like if we are not appreciating even our family members or our even at our workplace, it is going to be trouble. So like if we don't appreciate our colleagues, it's going to be a trouble. I hope people who are working will have these experiences. We have to appreciate others, even family members are main. Also at the work, we should have the habit of appreciating. That is the important one aspect. Then another is invest in you. So like invest in you is like you have to invest in training yourself, making yourself healthy, keeping yourself healthy. So for these things, you have to invest in you. You have to take time. You have to make yourself healthy. That is also investing in you. So and also investing some money for your beauty dress. That is also investing in because you should have a very good look. You should be presentable at least in the workplace, and you should be well trained. You should have all latest knowledge and updated knowledge with updated techniques. So like the way we are procuring latest cell phones should also be there in our qualification also. We should know what are the qualification we should increase, which way we can make our life better. So all those things we should focus and we need to invest in you. It's a very good point for that. And then apart from all these things, we should have long term as well as short term plans. Like okay, all the above points, whatever I mentioned, like be authentic, learn the power of now, be realistic, know your freedom. Everything is important. But without your plan, what you want to do in your life, where you want to go, for that, if you don't have a plan, then all the above things, whatever I have listed out, will not be of make all the things useful. You should make long-term plan and also to achieve the long-term plan, you should have some short-term plans. Like these short-term plans will be a milestone. Like for example, from Bangalore you have to reach Chennai. Like for example, from Bangalore you have to reach Chennai. Then first you have to cross Attibili or Hosur, then Krishnagiri. Like that you have to make places where you are crossing. By that, you can measure like what speed you are going, time you can reach your goal. Everything is decided. So like we need to have long-term as well as short-term plans. That is the better way for making our life better. Then apart from this is stay focused. Stay focused is like we make plans and we make short-term plan, make long-term plans, everything we have made it. But if we are not focused on our plan, what will happen? So nothing is going to be there as a result. Like for our short-term plans, we should have milestone, we should have a measurable plans. So like then only we can have an idea like when we can achieve our short-term plan and when we can achieve our long-term plan. So for that, we should have stay focused. Like we need to measure our plans, we need to measure our achievements. So in this stay focused, we should stay focused on our current short-term plan as well as the long-term plan. In the stay focused, you also need to understand that that second point also included in this, like learn the power of now. So like when you are stay focused, you have to be focused on your current priorities, current working, but also you should have an idea about how to make your short-term plan, how to make your long-term plan. You have to make time for everything, but you should not mix everything together. You should have clear plan, like what we should do, when we should do, what we should do. Everything you have to make plan. That way, life will stay focused. So staying focused will make your long-term as well as short-term goals achieved. These all are the some of the pathways to make your life better. You have different ambitions, like you may plan to become a national manager, you may plan to become a leader, or you want to become anything may be your life, anything may be your plan. But these points are the essential points which make your life better in all aspects. These are not something general I have listed out. That's what I want to give a brief idea about it. And I would like Pradeep to go ahead. You can start sharing like on all the points. I want your views, like what you think about point by point. You can say that, Pradeep, you can say about your view on the point by point, like be authentic or learn the power of now. Anything I want from your point of view, or if anything missed out, also you can include that.
Okay, sir. So, so be authentic. So, sir already told that. So, be authentic, be genuinely. So, honestly. So, whatever works we are allocated. So, whatever plan for anything, if it is studies, if it is job, or if it is in family situation, or it is in any other things, we should be authentic. We should be do the work very honestly. Okay, genuinely. So then only, sir, it's okay.
Yeah, correct. Your
Hello.
voice is
Yeah.
clear.
Yeah.
In this,
Yeah.
whatever your point you said, not the authentic, in that you have added that study, I really like
Yes.
that because like people say that I'm studying.
Yes.
How focused or how authentically they are studying.
Yes. 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 Yes.
That is a good point you have mentioned. I like it. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. That is authentic. So learn the power of now. So so whatever we have do, so in our personal life itself, or in maybe in officially, so we do that should be in full power. If it is personal life, sometimes we, for example, we can, sir has already told that, so we can drive, so we are driving, so but we are not mentally, we are not focused. So just, but physically we have that, but not mentally focused. That should be a power. So we can do same our mentally and physically, we can both do a, we can organize both the things and do a work. So it's a power.
Yeah.
Third point will be, yeah, tell me, sir.
Yeah, right. This one, like power of now, what I'm explaining is that like we should be focused on whatever we are doing. Sometimes we do some work and we think something else.
Yes, sir.
So that's what that is going to give a performance, low performance. Like sometimes this is what happening in studies also. Like if we
Yes,
are
sir.
focused on studying, we can study the paragraph within an hour. But we don't focus on that study. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 hours to study a paragraph.
Yes, yes, sir. So actually, sir, I want to share one example. It has happened in my life itself. So for morning, I have to make a visit of 10 o'clock in one company that is called. For example, it will be a time duration will kilometer will be 10 kilometers. I should be reach on 15 minutes.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so say 15 minutes. So at morning, what happened is in personally, I have lots of thinking. So in my family also, lots of thinking, lots of problems is there. In officially, there are lots of targets. I have a targets, so I have to do some other jobs. So, but I have to reach there. So because I have the commitment to that customer I have to go 15 minutes and almost 10 kilometers there. So normally in 50 to 60 kilometers we have drive a bike. We have to go reach at 10 kilometers in 10 minutes. And at the time when I started my bike, I have thinking lots of thinking I going in mind. So I have drived in fast itself, but I have not see my speedometer. It is gone 50 or 60. I am thinking lots of thinking and all. When I reach there, it is almost 45 minutes for 10 kilometers.
Okay.
This what I happened in my life.
Yeah, right.
Because this is we can if see if can allocate we plan the one job, we can do a stay focused, and we can plan for that. Neglect all the things. First of all, whatever we have planned, first of all do it and finish it, and again we rethink it whatever we have to do. That is the main matter.
Yeah, good.
And be realistic. So for example, I'm say simple example. So we can stand in a tree, we have an apple within a hand, but we have a 6 feet, and the tree will be at above 20-30 feet. We can think about that I can do that, I can catch that above 20 feet apple, but it is not realistic. We have to do work on that, and we have to plan for uh, catch that apple. So that's a be realistic. That's the thing matter.
Yeah, right. So we should
We
have
cannot
realistic plans. That's
yes,
what we want
yes,
to. We should have realistic plans to achieve the goal or to
yes,
complete that work.
yes, yes,
We should have
yes,
realistic
yes,
plans.
yes. So we all are have a good mind power. We can think, we can go in Mars also, but that also it is a possible, but we have to plan for it. We have that is a realistic only, but not fake. Yeah, right, Nazar.
Yeah, right.
uh, Third will fourth will be know your priorities. So in that point I have to add something. So in know your priorities means it is simply like basically it's a time management.
Yeah,
So
right.
all things that sir, the time management, that's the one topic is there. Most important, most important but not urgent,
Yeah, right.
not urgent, not important. It is important but not urgent. It is a 4 points is there,
Yeah, right.
mainly important and urgent. So we can allocate in personal life, or in officially we can allocate this our job and plan this all 4 points. If it is important, definitely it is will be a urgent. So with the 4 points is there, we can, if we have 4 points to job to do, tomorrow morning wake up and we go to brush फिर and bath, फिर again we have to have a work something, we can allocate in 4 points itself. If we do work in within the 4 points, it is a time management. Definitely we know our priorities. The fourth point will be this. And second, learn to let the negative go. Negativity happens. So in all our lives negativity happens. So first of all, I have to add in negativity. If someone says something, we cannot imagine behind on that, because someone is says that for example, someone is saying that you are not good on this job. We cannot imagine like that we are very no, we are very not capability for this job. We are not doing this job properly, because first of all we cannot think like this. Just we cannot think, okay, we have to do better from next time. So it is a negativity. So negativity, we are simply sitting in negativities.
Yeah,
Normally we are,
In this,
Yes,
what I
sir.
want to add is like in negativity, like somebody, sometimes some superior is pointing out that you are not doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, like,
Yes, sir.
you may think that uh, whatever your superior is saying, you may think that அவன் கிடக்குறான் போ அவன் சொல்லுவான். Like that, you
Yes, sir.
casually and other things like
Yes, sir.
he always this way,
Mm.
like that. Like
Yes, sir.
we will be thinking he may be saying something. There will be comments from your superiors, but we don't take it in a positive way. We take it on negative.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which is hampering our mindset.
Yes,
This
sir.
our mindset.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Sir, yeah, negativity also, I have to add something. சிம்பிளா தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா இப்போ ஒருத்தன் வந்து சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே திட்டினா எப்படி இருக்கும், கோவத்தோட திட்டினாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். இப்போ நான் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே உங்களை திட்டுறேன்னா அது எப்படி இருக்கும்,
Yeah, right.
அது நீங்க என்னன்னு எடுத்துக்குவீங்க? கோவத்தோட திட்டினா தெரியும். ஸோ பேஸ்ட் அப்பான் வந்து நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறதுல தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு டேக்.
Yeah, right.
ஓ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து அந்த பேனாவை எடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சிரிச்சுட்டு சொல்றதும் திட்டுறது சொல்றதும் வித்தியாசம் இருக்கு. அது we have to take it. We have to take in normal way. We have to listen what he has to said. What he has said to me to for work. இப்போ அவன் சொல்றான் பேனா எடுத்து வைங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். We have to listen. ஓகே பேனா எடுத்து சொன்னாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். அது கோமா சொன்னாங்களோ சிரிச்சு நமக்கு அவ்வளோ கிடையாது, ஒரு வேலை சொன்னாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். ஸோ we can look and on that way only. ஸோ third second வந்து control your options.
Yeah, right. Control your options is time management.
Yes, sir.
Then
Same da, sir. Be grateful. So be grateful. Celebrate along the way. So sir, whatever we have do in our personal itself and officially in studies also, we have to share something. So we have to share to others also. Celebrate பண்ணணும். So என்னைக்குமே வந்து நம்ம ஒரு விஷயம் பண்றோம்னா அதை வந்து we have to say we have a work, so we have achieved this work and say to someone, so we have to celebrate. It is enjoyful and joyful only. Correct தானே sir?
கரெக்ட். இதுல வந்து சம்டைம் நம்ம வந்து அது படிச்சு முடிக்கலையே இது படிச்சு முடிக்கலைன்னு some people will beat themselves. நான் வந்து இந்த
Yes.
வாரம் படிச்சு முடிக்கணும்னு நினைச்சேன், படிச்சு முடிக்கல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரொம்ப வருத்தப்படுவாங்க. So then by that they will lose their confidence. If they say that
Yes.
okay இந்த சாப்டர்ல வந்து at least 75% I studied means they will build
Yes.
confidence and they will go say okay நாளைக்கு நம்ம இதை கவர் பண்ணலாம். So like that they will celebrate their work, their performance. Then that way if they keep doing it, not like இப்ப நான் நல்ல சம்பளத்துல தான் வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன், எனக்கு வந்து மாசம் 2 லட்சம் ரூபாய் சம்பளம் வரணும், அது வரைக்கும் நான் செலிப்ரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. So like that the people themselves, அதை வந்து we can cut down and we can celebrate that. இப்போ நான் 50,000 சம்பளம் வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன், we will enjoy that.
Yes.
இப்போ 50,000 சம்பளம் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, நான் 2 லட்சம் சம்பளம்ல எய்த்த வீட்டுக்காரன் 2 லட்சம் சம்பளம் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கிறான்னு அதையே நினைச்சு வாழ்க்கையை வீண். So that's what you have to celebrate your way. So like whatever you are living,
Yes.
live your way happily.
Yes. So same celebrate வந்து இப்போ if we சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி தான், இப்போ ஏத்த விட்டு 2 லட்சம் வாங்கினா நம்ம வந்து we have to 50, இப்போ நம்ம வந்து 50,000 வாங்கினா இப்போ அடுத்தவன் வாங்குறத பத்தி நம்ம யோசிச்சுட்டே இருந்தோம்னா நம்மளோட லைஃப் வந்து பின்னாடி போயிடும். அது பின்னாடி போயிட்டே இருக்கும், இன்னமும் போயிட்டே தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம கிட்ட வந்து இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பிளான் பண்ணோம், நம்மளோட ஜாப் வந்து சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லா முடிச்சிட்டோம். ஸோ தட் வி ஹேவ் டு செலிப்ரேட். ஓகே இன்னைக்கு காலைல எழுந்திரிச்சோம், நம்ம பண்ணோம், ஓகே இன்னைக்கு படிச்சுட்டோம், முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. ஸோ லைக் தட் வி ஹேவ் டு பிளான் அவர் லைஃப், தென் ஒன்லி வி கேன் செலிப்ரேட் அவர் லைஃப் ஆல்சோ. பிளான் பண்ணவே இல்லை, ஜஸ்ட் லைக் வி சிட் இன் தேர். ஸோ ஆகாசத்துக்கு ஆசைப்பட்டோம்னா அப்புறம் வி கேன் நாட் செலிப்ரேட். வி கேன் திங்க் ஒன்லி, இட் வில் பி கன்ஃபியூஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட். வி கேன் நாட் அச்சீவ் சம்திங். நம்ம எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது.
Yeah, right.
We have to sit one place itself, மற்றவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் வாட்ச் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். ஸோ we have to celebrate for above priority points இருக்கு, so that we can do all the things also. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நம்மளோட பேசிக் லைஃப் நம்ம மார்னிங் எழுந்திரிச்சோன்னு என்ன பண்றோமோ பேசிக்ஸ் லைஃப்லேருந்து நம்ம எல்லாமே அதை பார்த்துட்டு தான் இருக்கணும். ஸோ see different peoples have different commitments, different things. ஸோ நீங்க உங்க லைஃப்ல வந்து வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ் மேட்சிங், we can அதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து ரிலேட் பண்ணிக்கணும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
கரெக்ட்.
ஸோ தேர்ட் வந்து கிவ் டு அதர்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த பாயிண்ட் வந்து சீரியஸ்லி நம்ம வந்து எவ்வளோ வந்து நம்ம எவ்வளோ நாலேஜாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ஹவு வி ஹவ் நாலேஜ், ஹவு வி ஹவ் லேர்ன்டு சம்திங். ஸோ வாட் எவர் நம்ம அது கொடுத்தோம்னா மற்றவங்களுக்கு டெஃபினெட்லி வி ஹவ் லேர்ன் மோர் திங்ஸ். பிகாஸ் நம்ம வந்து எவ்வளோ படித்தாலும், நம்ம வந்து எவ்வளோ இது பண்ணாலும், நம்ம மற்றவங்களுக்கு சொல்கிறப்ப தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து அது நம்மளுக்கு வந்து அதிகமாகவே தோணும். நம்மளுக்கு வந்து அது இன்னும் லேர்னிங்காக எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்ட் ஆகும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஸோ இப்போ வந்து ஒரு சாப்டர் படிக்கிறோம், ஏதோ சம்திங் ஒரு இல்லை சாப்டர் விடுங்க. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம டிரைவிங், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ ஆம் குட் டிரைவிங் இன் பைக். ஓகே, ஸோ எனக்கு நல்லா டிரைவ் பண்ண தெரியும். ஸோ ஐ ஹேவ் லைசன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஐ ஆம் டூயிங் குட் ஸ்டண்ட், எல்லாமே பண்ணுவோம். பட் ஆனால் அட் த டைம் நம்ம வந்து மற்றவங்களுக்கு பைக் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறப்போ தான் நம்மளுக்கு இன்னும் அந்த பைக்கிங்ல வந்து எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அதிகமாகும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் கிவ் டு அதர்ஸ். ரைட் தானே சார்?
ரைட்.
ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்போ நான் வந்து பிஹெச்டி வரைக்கும் படிச்சிருக்கேன். பிஹெச்டி வச்சு படிச்சு நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? மற்றவங்களுக்கு நான் அது கொடுத்தா மட்டுமே தான் அந்த பிஹெச்டி எனக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். இப்போ நான் இன்ஜினியரிங் படிச்சிருக்கேன்னா, ஸோ நான் இன்ஜினியரிங் படிச்சுட்டு நான் மற்றவங்களுக்கு நான் இன்ஜினியரிங் நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தா மட்டுமே நான் அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஆகும். இதே மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் ஒரு ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், அது மற்றவங்க கொடுத்தா தான் அதில் வந்து அவங்க எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஆக முடியும். இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து இப்போ டிவிலையும் சரி எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அவங்க ஒரு நியூஸ் வாசிக்கிறாங்க, ஒரு நியூஸ் ரீடர் வந்து நியூஸ் வாசிக்கிறாங்கன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு வந்து அவ்வளோ மீடியாவில் வந்து ப்ராட்காஸ்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. பட் ஆனால் அவங்க வந்து அதில் லேர்ன் பண்ணி அவங்க வந்து ஸ்பெஷலைஸ்ட் ஆகுறாங்க. ஸோ அதுதான் கிவ் டு அதர்ஸ். கிவ் டு அதர்ஸ்னா நம்ம கிட்ட என்ன கேப்பபிலிட்டி இருக்கோ அது கிவ் டு அதர்ஸ் மற்றவங்க கொடுக்க நம்ம இன்னும் வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ நாட் திங்க் லைக் தட் நம்ம சொல்றதுனால அவன் நிறைய பெரிய ஆயிடுவான், நம்ம சின்னவன் நேரம், அது கிடையாது. அது ரியல் லைஃப்ல கிடையாது. நம்ம மற்றவங்களுக்கு ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு வந்து எவ்வளோ எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஆகுதோ அந்த அளவுக்கு டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு வந்து நாலேஜ் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். இது ப்ராக்டிக்கலி வந்து எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். நீங்க வந்து இப்போ பேசிக்லி வந்து ஒரு காலேஜ் முடிச்சு பிஎட் முடிச்சு ஒரு டீச்சர் போறாங்கவங்களுக்கும் 10 வருஷமா ஒரு டீச்சிங் லைனுங்களுக்கும் ரொம்ப வித்தியாசம் இருக்கும். அதுதான் that is called give to others. Invest on you. It is see, invest on you basically it is from personality development நம்ம சொல்லலாம். So we can do personality development also.
Yes.
So invest on you. If we invest in ourselves, definitely we can shine others. Because whenever we wake up at morning, definitely after bathing we have dressed, we have seen mirrors. At that time we can able to have a confidence. We need to confess that okay, we are seeing very good. Okay, if we are looking very good, then only we have get the confidence. காலையில எழுந்திரிச்சு நம்ம வந்து வேலைக்கு போறப்போ சும்மா சிலிஞ்ச துணியை போட்டோம்னா we cannot get the confidence.
Right.
Same times we can get the knowledge from whatever others says. First of all, listen. இப்போ வந்து நம்மளோட சின்ன பையனாவா கூட இருக்கான், ஏதோட நம்ம சின்ன நாலேஜோட இருக்கான். First of all, listen the things. Invest on you. Lots of points we can add. First of all, listen whatever they say. It may be right or wrong, we can listen.
Right.
We cannot, without listening, we cannot say that is right or wrong. We can decide it is good or bad. We cannot decide it is false or true. First of all, we can listen, we can learn. If நம்ம learn பண்றதுக்கு we can listen பண்ணணும். Without listening, we cannot learn. So that invest on you. First of all, we can studying from others. Invest on you, we can study whatever யாரோ சொல்றாங்க ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்றாங்கன்னா we can அதை வந்து நம்ம ஸ்டடி பண்ணி அதை நம்ம வந்து அதை எடுத்துக்கணும். That is called invest on you. And same times in personality also we can develop ourselves, grooming our personal life in official life also. That is called invest on you.
Right.
Without confidence we cannot do anything. கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வரணும்னா அதுக்கு நம்ம வந்து அது கேப்பபிலிட்டியா இருந்துக்கணும். தட் இஸ் த மெயின் திங். அண்ட் சேம் டைம் மேக் லாங் டேர்ம் அண்ட் ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் பிளான். ஸோ பிளான் ஸோ பிளான் பண்ணாம வடிவேல் சொன்ன மாதிரி பிளான் பண்ணாம எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது.
Yes.
So planning it is more important. Maybe it is successed or not successed. It is good or bad. We have to do plan ourselves. And it is இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் போடணும் பிளானிங். ஸோ
Yes.
plan is must in our life. வெரி வெரி மஸ்ட் பிளான். இட் இஸ் ஒரு ஒரு நெசவாளியாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஒரு ஆட்டோ டிரைவராக இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஒரு துணி தைக்கிறவனாலும் சரி, நம்ம சாப்பிட்றதும் சரி, எல்லாமே பேஸ்ட் அப்பான் பிளான் ஒன்லி. லைஃப் இஸ் பிளான். வி கேனாட் பிளான் அவர் லைஃப். வி கேன் சிட் ஒன் பிளேஸ், வி திங்க் பிஹாண்ட் தி இமேஜின் வாட் எவர் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங். நம்மளுக்கு எல்லாம் பவுன்ஸ் ஆகிட்டு போயிட்டு தான் இருக்கும்.
Yeah, right.
ஸோ பிளான் பண்ணா மட்டுமே தான் அடுத்தது என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தெரியும். அடுத்து காலைல நம்மளுக்கு வந்து தூங்கி எழுந்திரிச்சோன்னா நம்ம வந்து பல்லு வளர்க்குறோம், ப்ரஷ் பண்ணுறோம். அது நம்ம ரத்தத்திலே ஊறிடுச்சு பிளான் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. அதே மாதிரி தான். ஸோ வாட் எவர் நீட் டு அச்சீவ் ரைட், வி கேன் டூ தி பிளானிங் ஃபார் தட் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் வி திங்க் தட், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், நான் it is 2020. In 2022 I am become one national manager. அது தட் இஸ் அவர் பிளான். நான் 2020 நான் நேஷனல் மேனேஜர் ஆக போறேன். ஸோ நான் இப்பவே நேஷனல் மேனேஜர் ஆயிட்டேன். ஸோ தட் வந்து நான் 2021 நேஷனல் ஆக போறேன். ஸோ அந்த நேஷனல் மேனேஜர் ஆகிறதுக்கு நம்ம என்னென்ன ஸ்டெப்ஸ் பண்ணணுமோ அதுதான் பிளானிங் இப்போ.
Yes.
அந்த ஸ்டெப்ஸ் மட்டும் தான். ஸோ அது ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் லாங் டேர்ம் பிளான்ஸ் இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் வந்து இன்னும் 2020 வந்து நான் ஒரு வீடு வாங்க போறேன். ஒரு 25-35 lakhs வீடு வாங்க போறேன் வாயிலேருந்து. ஸோ நம்ம வந்து இப்போ we can say 20-25 lakhs வீடு வாங்கிடலாம். பட் in 2022 on so and so on date we can do this. We have own house and all. அதுக்கு நம்ம இப்போ பேசிக்லி என்னென்ன பண்ணுமோ தட்ஸ் a step. அந்த ஸ்டெப் வந்து நம்ம இப்போ பண்ணா மட்டுமே தான் பண்ண முடியலன்னா பண்ண முடியாது. stay focused வந்து whatever we have planned. சிம்பிள் பிளான். நம்ம ஒரு பிளானிங் பண்ணுறோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் அந்த நேஷனல் மேனேஜர் வேலைக்கு நேஷனல் மேனேஜர் சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ அதுக்கான பேசிக் திங்ஸ். ஸோ வாட் எவர் அதுக்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஐ ஹாவ் டு இன்க்ரீஸ் மை கேப்பபிலிட்டி. ஸோ அந்த இன்க்ரீஸ் மை கேப்பபிலிட்டி வி கேன் டூ ஸ்டே ஃபோக்கஸ்ட். ஏனோ தானோன்னு செய்யக்கூடாது. வி ஹாவ் டு அந்த பாத்வே. ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு நேஷனல் பேங்க் ஆகணும்னா சரி ஓகே அது அப்புறம் ஆகிறத பார்த்துக்கலாம், அப்படி கிடையாது. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு விஷயம் பண்ணாலும் ஸ்டே ஃபோக்கஸ்ட். ஸோ அது ஃபோக்கஸ்டா இருக்கும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
Yeah, good.
அவ்வளவுதான் சார்.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Pradeep, for sharing. Yeah, I expect Navneet Raj to share something on this. Did Navneet Raj?
Okay.
Navneet Raj, you can share like what are the points. You need not to share all the points. You can share whatever the points you like and you can do it.
Okay. About being authentic, we have to be integrated for ourselves. We have to be truthful for ourselves. If we are doing something, we have to be do it honestly. If we are working for a company, we have to do it honestly, and we have to have loyalty. Until unless we are loyal for our family or friends, they won't be loyal for us.
Okay.
And about being realistic, we can do anything. If they didn't dream about going to moon, Neil Armstrong won't be able to step on it. If we have to make something happen, we have to dream about it. When we dream, we have to make it into a plan. After making that into a plan, it can't be done in one day. It is a long term point. So for that, we have to set some short term points, and we have to stay focused on that plan, and we have to go along with it. While doing that, we have to be invest ourselves about what are the things we have to take for completing the short term plans. For that, we have to go some trainings. If you have to become an astronaut, you have to go to some courses, we have to complete uh, some trainings and all. After that, every time we complete a training or something, we have to appreciate ourselves. You did good. You did this very well. We have to appreciate ourselves. Unless we appreciate ourselves, no one will appreciate us.
Okay.
And while we are appreciating us, we also think about others also need appreciation. We have to appreciate others too. And you, if somebody appreciate us, we have to be grateful to them, and we have to say thank you uh, for your appreciation and all. And while making these long term plans and making a pathway for that by putting short term plans, we have to prioritize what are the short term plans we have to do earlier in our life, and what are the short term plans we can do it later in our lives. That these are the opinion I have on this. Thank you.
Thank you, Raj. Thank
Oh,
you for sharing yourself. It's a good thing. You have made it like a story, like you have made it something up down, but still you have made it good. Let me hear from Sundar. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay, already.
Yeah. In this,
I will share the points of reversely. Okay, that is the things is that is way of thinking. That is a speech of way. It's differently. That's it.
okay.
Okay, stay focused. That is the way is that I will go to the drive, but I am not focused in case of lot of accident. That is everything in part of life and part of work. We will be focused. That will be achieved. Be involved and love them. That's the job. Any job that is will be all the success person will be stay focused. Lot of person is mistakenly this last of person is loss of life and work is cause not focused. That is the way of involvement and not of interested. That's a job and life also. Lot of drinking persons, lot of tension persons, everything will be is there not focused. That is the part of time, part of life, and part of commitments, and part of lot of disturbance in your life and work. Is not focused, is not successful, everybody.
Okay.
And make long term and short term plan. That is everything will be goal is there. In any batsman, we go in 1 kilometer petrol, but you will go to the 2 kilometers. It's not possible. So you will be achieved every day and every month or every year will be your achievement. Whatever you go, whatever your family, whatever your work persons also. That is you will be stay long term, short term plans also. That is in lot of persons in working stage stresses in family, family stresses in sharing work. That is the plan is not is there. That is the stay focus is not is there. Invest to you. Every person will be day to day learn it. That is the invest in your life and your involvement in your life also. Lot of persons in not at invest and interest of you. I will day in make and go to work. I love them and love them that's job and love them my family. That is the investment for me. That is every day will be what to do, what to wrong do. Yeah, that is what to make a mistake. I will be every day. I will recall also. In case today make a mistake, tomorrow it not. I will be take a erase is there. Give to others. Everything, every ideas will be give to share or give to others. Will be lot of learning in your life also, and you are better and better, and you are go to the way also. That is the everything. That is your learn. your ideas, your priority, everything you will be shared. Give to others. Lot of teaching in others also. Lot of ideas, not for every single person. Is not in that is his face or your handling in job. Everything not to that is his bad opinion will be shared. Good opinion also share. That is not too bad. Everything will be there. We are part of families. Everything will be needed. So we are that is there. You to others, your ideas, your thinking, in your uh, uh, that is appreciated also. Then celebrate along the way. Yes, the way will be celebrate. What to do, what a life. But today, achievement will be celebrated in your life. Whatever achievements, whatever thinking, whatever other achievements also, I will be thinking celebrated every day. That is very powerful. Is that be grateful? Yes, we are grateful. Is that what? What is your loss is nothing to worry. Okay, so be grateful. Control your option. Yes, you are not a control. Not go to the achievement or not go to the achieved goal. Only your control itself. You will be go to today or tomorrow and everything. You go to the long way. Is the pathway. Let and negative to go. Yes, I will touch is very good point. That is there. Negative. Do not is there. Everything will be think is positive. Will be is it possible is that no think is negative. Everything will be touched. Lot of negative. It's it. Life is laminated. Okay, so I will live. That's a point. I will very love. That's a point. Know your priorities. Yeah, that this is a priorities is a very goodful is there. Whatever do, what or do, what not to do is very is there. Be realistic. Yeah, that is a realistic is way of life. That is kind of acting is like any time we will be catch them with others and catch them like we will be wrong is there. So be realistic. Is right. Is right. Is right. Learn the power of now, strike, and be authentic. So you have good thinking, you have good way. That is the pathway is better of life. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for sharing. Okay,
Okay.
you've taken another way that you can go this way also, like starting from stay focused, you went up to authentic. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's all the way you can make it. But these all
Okay.
are the points. It is not to be listed 1 to 2 or everything. So, like all the points we need to follow for the betterment of our life, whether you are planning anything. So, like you may have different ideas, different plans, different objectives, but still, these are some of the points which we need to follow for making betterment in our day-to-day life. Is it right? Is there anything more you can add on? Any points left over? Any your suggestion?
Sir, one more point is there.
Okay.
The simple point. I was learned this point. It is from my previous company. It is called Pidilite Limited. So it is a FMCG company. So in that, the national president, he simply says, "Who loves their family? Who loves their friend? Sorry, who loves their family? Definitely, he also loves their job. Who their works do passionately in their family, definitely he also do work passionately in their job. Who are very authentic in your family, definitely he also basically authentic with their job. This is a simple formula he has said to me. What, sir?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, right. Yeah, right.
Who will be stay focused their family, definitely he also very focused in their job itself.
Yes, yes.
Whatever things we are doing right, it is a family, it is our backbone to our whatever whatever we thinking, the family is our backbone.
Yeah, right.
So right. So
Right.
definitely, if we are authentically, we can honestly, we can stay focused. It is we are doing it family. Definitely, we can do in our job itself. Same thing.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that's what I want to thank you. So thanks for your attention and contribution. Thanks for sharing your point. Can we end up?
Thank you.
Is it okay? Is there anything else?
Yeah, yes. சார்
No.
இது இன்னொரு விஷயம் சொல்லணும்னா எனக்கு உங்க வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இல்ல சார்.
என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இல்லையா?
இல்ல இல்ல
ஆமா
சார்
விட்டு
வாய்ஸ்
விட்டு
இல்ல.
வருது விட்டு விட்டு வருது.
இல்ல வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இல்ல.
Network problem.
Okay. Maybe network problem.
இல்ல
Okay.
இப்போ நவநீத்க்கு வந்து வாய்ஸ் வந்து லாகிங்கே இல்ல.
Okay.
ஸோ உங்க வாய்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சொல்றப்போ அடுத்த பாயிண்ட்க்கு வந்து லேக் ஆயிருது.
Okay.
ஸோ மேபி இந்த கனெக்டிவிட்டி இஷ்யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு செக் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா அந்த சொல்றது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு அது கிளியரா சென்டென்ஸா இல்ல உங்க வாய்ஸ்ல.
Okay. There was something issues maybe there.
ஆமா. அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்ற சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து ஹை பீஸ்ல போகுது, அடுத்த சென்டென்ஸ் ஸ்லோல இருக்குது. கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது சரியா.
That may be. Let's see that. Okay then. Thank you. Is there
ஓகே சார்.
anything to add? Or let us
No sir, it is nice.
That's
Today very nice. Sunday வந்து very productivity.
Okay.
This time 40 minutes very productivity for
Points are there.
myself. Yes.
Focus on all points. I think.
Yes.
In our life. What I want.
Yes sir.
Thank you. Thanks for your attention. Bye.
Thank you sir. Bye sir. Bye to
Thank
all.
you. Bye.
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 Bye.